Ladies and gentlemen, amoureux de l'art, amoureux de l'événement, bien sûr, nous sommes aujourd'hui le 1er août 2021. Très heureux de vous avoir parmi nous, très heureux encore d'être nombreux aujourd'hui, de nous recevoir. Très chers téléspectateurs, très chers invités ici présents, c'est bel et bien votre humble serviteur Julien Alois Market International MC. Very honored and glad to be part of this event. Aujourd'hui, nous allons parler, et bien sûr, dans cette soirée, dans cet événement, nous avons beaucoup plus aussi et plusieurs surprises que nous allons découvrir ici, comme vous les voyez, comme vous les remarquez, juste là. Bien sûr, c'est bien sûr un événement, c'est bien sûr quelque chose que nous avons beaucoup préparé. Nous nous sommes bien entendus et aujourd'hui, c'est bel et bien le jour J. Alors, nous aurons deux invités, nous aurons de prédications. Nous aurons bien plein de choses que vous allez découvrir tout à l'heure. Laissez-moi vous dire, aujourd'hui le 1er août ne sera pas la toute première et la toute dernière, mais nous serons toutefois et chaque fois ici, chaque 1er août. Alors, ladies and gentlemen, welcome again. Restez hyper connectés, branchés, connectés sur vos fauteuils, parce que nous allons bientôt décoller. Parce que nous allons bientôt décoller, très chers invités, très chers téléspectateurs. Recevons tout à l'heure, avec le réel plaisir, bien sûr comme je l'ai toujours dit, d'être Anelka. Et oui, parfois, mes songs, il va mobiliser people about Corona and also inspiring young. And nous allons le découvrir tout à l'heure. Alors, marquons une courte pause pour les recevoir et bien sûr.
A day tap on the floor. You know what it is. It's fine today, man. The baby boy, how you feeling? We got that death in the building. Let's go. Yeah. Sure. Hey yo, Corona, COVID-19 now. Look at what you do now. You don't wanna see us, just wanna kill us. All the nations crying. Why don't you leave us? You will always be my man to my niggas. You like taking people far away from their lovers. Why you over here, over there as if you Jesus? Think about you do cause everything is now fake. Yeah. We got MC Piano. We are here to celebrate the annual of Inspiring today. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Okay, couple of months ago, Corona was a simple story. Now the name carries weight, heavy like a dead body, sick of feed everywhere. Famous like Muhammad Ali, called upon my Lord the King. Cause I'm just like nobody. The shit came from China like any other fake car. Stress up, no mess up, take care, be safe. Anticipating the movement, don't know the danger. Remember to pray like I do the Tefanelka. Yo, I remember the shit came like sir. We got a bumper, wash your hands, not your fingers. I'm clean on this one, please take care my nigga. She know definitely boy I'm one, I'm ready to I'm trying to tell you to be on duty. We all gotta protect our life here. Mommy, trust me, it's not a story. Look at how we doing them shit. Quarantine, wash your hands all the time, sanitize, get down. Stay home, stay safe. Cut your mouth when you cough, use your elbow. Stay home, stay safe, I say. Wash your hands all the time, sanitize, get down. Stay home, stay safe. Cover your mouth when you cough, use your elbow. Stay home, stay safe, I say. Yeah. You know all about Corona, COVID-19, man. So please stay safe. Keep yourself protected. Yeah. Okay.
Alors, j'aurais juste une petite question. Anelka, tu as chanté About Corona.
Yes, sir.
Quel message peux-tu passer à tous ces téléspectateurs, à tous ces jeunes qui te suivent présentement dans le monde, en Afrique, en Europe, en Amérique, partout? Un message About Corona.
Yes. First of all, I want to thank everyone who loves Inspiring today. Thank everyone for supporting Inspiring today. Thank everyone for loving Dr. Fanelka music. Okay. A message I would like to give to people listening to me and listening to Inspiring today is that please take care of yourself. No one is there to protect you, but you can protect yourself. And you can't start unless you start now. Yes, inspiring today. So always keep your mask on and remember to sanitize and wash your hands. Let's flowers you.
Thank you very much. Remember to sanitize and wash your hands. Thank you very much, Tete Adeka. On peut applaudir, s'il vous plaît, tout bête. Alors, à la seconde position, très chers téléspectateurs, très chers amoureux des Inspiring Today. Aujourd'hui, nous sommes le 1er août, je vous le rappelle très bien, et nous serons encore ici, les next 1st August. So, la prochaine personne, je vais appeler tout à l'heure, c'est sous vos applaudissements et vos acclamations. Josué Moussoda, il sera ici parmi nous. He will represent Haniel Ministry and tell us about what is about us. I mean, inspiring young, I don't know, preacher of gospel of grace, I mean. Alors, il va essayer un peu de nous expliquer about Haniel Ministry and il va nous parler aussi de jeunes qui se sont inspirés. Alors, recevons tout à l'heure Josué Moussoda. Il sera là parmi nous dans un instant, dans quelques secondes, et ici, aujourd'hui, maintenant, c'est sous vos acclamations, très chers téléspectateurs. Let's go. Welcome back. Alors, très chers téléspectateurs, nous sommes là avec Josué Moussoda. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Very well and glad to have you here today.
I'm glad and pleased.
Hope it's not the first and the last time to be with us.
Now, this is not my first time on Inspiring Today, and it won't be the last.
Okay, before, just try to tell us about Haniel Ministry.
Okay, Haniel Ministries is a Christian ministry that talks about grace, the grace of God to the entire world. And we really spread the gospel of grace, the love of Jesus Christ to the humanity. That's basically what we do.
All right. So, how can you inspire young preacher of the gospel of grace?
So what I can say is, as a Christian, every single Christian is a preacher. Is called to be a preacher. Because if you remember what Jesus said, that He's sending us as disciples so that we may make others disciples. And what I can say, you don't need to be to have degrees in theology or being 40 years old. As a youth, you can start inspiring, you can start preaching, you can start impacting grace to other people without waiting to have so much.
Voilà. Alors, comme nous le remarquons, vous avez mis votre t-shirt IT, which means Inspiring Today. En quelque sorte, how can you say, or what will you say about Inspiring Today?
So what I can say about Inspiring Today is Haniel Ministries is just a youth ministry. So we all really impacted by what also Inspiring Today is doing. Because, you know, being a Christian, it's all about the gospel, but also we need a message that encourages us to do better, to pursue our dreams, to pursue our goals. And Inspiring Today is really a platform that is helping young people, not only young people, but all the visionaries, or all the people who watch the videos are inspired and pushed to accomplish much more. Because when God creates you, He gives you a purpose. You have a purpose. You have something that you need to accomplish in your life. And having someone to motivate you, because sometimes we are really down, but we forget that we have all the resources that we need to start. But Inspiring Today is always there to inspire youth and show them that they can do something. You don't need to have a lot. You know what God told Gideon. He said, go with the strength you have. So you don't need to have a lot. You need just to start. It's by your starting that God will take you to a higher place. And Inspiring Today is really doing this work in encouraging people.
So Jose Moussoda, not here to judge people, but somewhere you say being Christian. So, Inspiring Today, is it working, or it will work with those who are not Christians?
A Christian, what is the good about Christianity is that Christianity is not all about only Christians. Christianity spreads love. And whether you are Christian or not, whether you are Muslim or you don't just believe, our desire is, for me from Haniel Ministries, is to get you saved. So I don't care whether you are Christian or not. I love you. The love is spread throughout everywhere. And with Inspiring Today is not that's Christian based, but it's really spread the same message that we are spreading. This message of love, courage, which is also some of the values of Christianity. So it doesn't matter whether Hanyo Ministries and Inspiring Today collaborate, because the aim is the same, bringing the better from people.
Okay. So, just introduce somewhat about coronavirus at this time.
What I can say, just this is the time that catch up with. Just it was a surprise to everyone. You know, we didn't know when and how these things will happen. It came just 1 year ago, but now we are having struggle every single day. So what I can say, just people to keep faith. You know, with faith you can go through a lot, but you have a God. You know that God is there and He's gonna do something, no matter what is tough right now. Because the Bible says, though you pass through the shadow of death, you should not feel any evil. So the thing is, we are passing through a shadow of death. Things are very down. The business is down. People has lost their loved one. We are in lockdown. But what we need to keep in mind is knowing that we have Christ who watches over us. And after this, I know that the church will be brighter, because the Bible says, if the world gets darker and darker, the church of Christ will be brighter and brighter. So that's what I want to say. Keep faith, keep the hope, and the grace of God will get out of this. Thank you so much.
I'm the one. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Brother Josue Musoda. There are some sentences before going. We was talking about Hanyo Ministry and inspiring young preachers. So you say those people who are watching you right now.
Those people who are watching me and want to be preachers, I'm telling you something. You don't have to know all the Bible, all the verses. You can start by the verse you know. A verse that I can relate to is John chapter 3 verse 16 that says, for God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son, that whoever believes in Him should not perish. So you can start by this, sharing this. This is the whole message in the Bible, showing about love, the love of God that God has shown to the humanity, but also knowing it's by grace that we are saved. If you're a believer, if you are a preacher, you want to inspire people, you want to preach the gospel, you can start by this. You don't need to have all the theological or degrees and so on to inspire people. So you can start from little. As we are saying, the only way to start is to start. Thank you so much.
The only way to start is to start. Thank you very much, Brother Josue Musoda. Applaudissons un peu trop fort pour Brother Josue Musoda. Alors, nous continuons notre bonhomme de chemin, très chers téléspectateurs amoureux de Inspiring Today. Alors, comme vous le voyez, nous ne sommes pas seulement là pour parler, mais je vous demande de vous abonner massivement dans notre chaîne qui est juste apparue là en dessous, et vous allez nous rejoindre massivement. Voilà, welcome Brother Joseph Musoda. Alors, tu seras le bienvenu parmi nous. We will try to explain to all people who are watching us right now, what does it mean? What does it mean Inspiring Today? Where did you get those or that idea from? Joseph Musoda.
Yes, brother.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening.
So smart, eh?
Oh, thank you so much. You're
I love
also
this
smart.
t-shirt.
Oh, thank you. Actually, you can get them from the link in the description.
So, let me ask one question.
Okay.
Where did you get the idea from Inspiring Today?
Inspiring Today. Since this is not, I'm not the only one in this show. Just briefing it a little bit. So it was a one holiday in 2019 that I came up. 2020 July, the first lockdown. So I got up this idea. I saw people worried. I saw people's jobs they're losing their jobs. I saw the world is no longer a desirable place to live. Yes, we have all one destination, heaven, but this is the world, and this is the life that we are living. So we need to live it to the fullest. We need to enjoy it as we are still living. But I saw the people are doing in the opposite. So I came up with this idea. Why can't I create the platform that maybe I could have? Why shouldn't I create this platform to help one person or the other? Yeah. So I came up with Inspiring Today.
So the next question is, what motivated you, or where? Okay, I mean, what motivated you exactly about Inspire today?
What really motivated me is, I could say, maybe people, the situation I saw in the world. So that's what motivated me. But also, these, I call these smaller things, or people call them smaller things, but they mean a lot. These small compliments that they give to you. So like my brother who has just left the stage, Jose Msoda, always encouraged me, man, you speak well, you have nice words. You could inspire someone out there. So basically he's like the father figure to me now. So I thank him for that, and yeah, big up, bro.
So in a sentence, big word, inspiring today, what does it mean?
Inspiring today is this platform that is dedicated to inspire, inform, educate, and even motivate. Hope you know that by now.
Are you a preacher?
I'm not a preacher.
But your brother said all of us were preachers.
No, yes, I'm not a gospel preacher. So maybe I didn't understand.
Maybe about love also you can preach.
I can preach about love. I can spread about, I'm not a religious preacher, but I preach motivation.
Alright,
Yes.
That's very nice. So, for now, we're gonna make some break, bullet break. So, what will you tell all of us, or all people are watching right now?
Somebody that is watching us out there, whether you're watching us in Australia or UK, everywhere that you're watching us from, thank you so much for supporting us, and I'm telling you that more are coming. So just get tuned to this interview, subscribe if you have not, and invite your friends too. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this yet amazing day of the story. So, comme vous l'avez remarqué, comme vous l'attendez, vous attendez une mélodie. Nous attendons ce chant. Nous attendons, je ne sais pas comment dire, mais c'est une sensation. Mais ça m'inspire quelque chose, like inspiring today. Ladies and gentlemen, recevons tous ensemble celui que moi j'appelle MC Piano. C'est sous vos acclamations, recevons-le. Il va nous parler about piano. He will tell us some good word about the melody. Good evening, MC Piano.
Good evening, sir.
Please switch on the microphone.
Good evening, sir.
All right, how are you?
I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm fine. Please try a little bit to show all people your hands. Is it looking like a piano or what?
Yeah, they are hands are which are like keys of the keyboard.
How come from you can play those music, those melodies very well?
It's all about having a talent, I can say. And then you can also go to school and learn how to play piano.
So yours, where do you get it from? From school or just God's talent?
It's a talent. I didn't go to school for this. Yes.
So me, I don't know how to play it. Will you teach me? Because it's very difficult for me to learn.
You're most welcome. You can join me on my channel MC Piano, and you can learn from there free of charge.
So from what?
MC Piano.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, the channel is MC Piano.
MC
You can
Piano.
just you see it in the
From there we
description below.
shall hear some good melodies.
Exactly.
So before going, can you just try to give us some good melodies?
Alright, I can sample you with something. Actually, the one in the background, I do play it. Also, the person who performed before this, Lefaneka, also played for him. And other music you hear in the background of inspiring today videos, I do play them.
Of course, you can tell us with the one we do play, but how can we be sure you are the one? Just try a little bit something.
Alright, guys, let me sample you with something.
All right, thank you. toujours les nôtres, très chers téléspectateurs. So, this is the day and this is the time that you will testify that you will say that no, life is very sweet, life is very good, life is very nice. But be careful, protect yourself, portez vos masques, sanitizer every time. So, ladies and gentlemen, laissez-moi accueillir tout à l'heure, maintenant, aujourd'hui, ce soir, ici, sur ce podium, sur cet espace, celle que moi j'appelle Esther Badossé. Elle va ici en fait nous expliquer que veut dire innovation et que veut dire être compétitive. Recevons-la avec beaucoup plus d'amour parce que c'est une femme qui fait exception parmi les femmes. Welcome. You fine?
I'm fine.
Good evening.
Good evening.
To those who are watching you for the first time, what's your name exactly?
My name is Esther Badossé.
Okay. Living in Kampala, in Uganda, especially the part of Africa. Alors, Inspiring today, nous sommes très heureux d'être parmi vous aujourd'hui. Alors, today we shall use many languages like French, like English, like Swahili. It depends. But right now, parce que nous marchons dans le monde, notre sœur Esther Badossé, we shall talk and tell us something about what does it mean être innovative. So, jambo dada.
Jambo sana.
Habari.
Nzuri.
Uko poa?
Niko poa.
Coronavirus ni je?
Coronavirus ni ugonjwa yenye ilikuya na saa vile dunia ni kitu yenye ileta mshituko, lakini kwa saa hii tunajua kama ni kitu yenye tuko nayo na tutaishi nayo.
Okay.
Inaomba ulimwengu iamini kama ni kitu yenye ilianza na haitaisha leo na tutasurvive tukikuwa na ile kitu.
Of course, tutasurvive. So, conseil kani tabasha katia aba batu bote banatufata sahi kujua how to be kujiproteger ku coronavirus.
Kitu ya kwanza yenye ndaambia Baafrika be bananisikia. Corona ya kwanza ina existe.
Okay.
Ni kitu yenye iko. Juu kama mtu haamini kama iko haizi kujilinda.
Okay.
Ya pili, tunawe mikono, tufunike pua zetu na tutumikishe dawa zote zenye zinaweza kuwa juu tujikinge nayo.
Thank you very much. So, how to be innovatrice? Pourquoi innovatrice? Qu'est-ce que tu veux nous parler?
Mie kitu kenye ndaweza ongea kwa ile, niko naongea kubitu kenye vinahusu wanawake, wasichana na wengine.
Okay.
Kitu ya kwanza ni kukubali jinsia yako na ukubali kama haikuwekea tofauti yoyote na mtu wa jinsia ya tofauti na wewe.
Okay.
Ni jinsia tu lakini haiko tofauti yoyote. Ukijua ile, utajua jinsi ya kuanzisha vitu vyako na kuendelea na kufanya kazi tofauti na wanawake wenye hawajatambua hiyo.
Okay, that's nice. And what do you mean also about to be competitive?
Kukuwa na ushindani ni kujua kujishinda changamoto. Changamoto za kabambi zenye tuko nazo kama vile wanawake ni mipaka yenye tuliwekewa na misingi ya ukabila, nafasi kwenye tunazaliwa. Ile misingi ni misingi yenye haiko, lakini ni jinsi tulilelewa na jinsi tulikomana. Lakini tukirudia kumaumbile, tuliumbiwa watu sawasawa na watu wengine. Lakini tofauti tu ni nafasi kwenye tulizaliwa, vijiji kwenye tulizaliwa, nchi kwenye tulizaliwa, njoze tunatuwekea ile mipaka. Na ile inakuwa changamoto ya kabambi. Sasa kitu kenye neza ongelea ni kutafuta jinsi ya kuvuka hiyo mipaka, ni kutafuta jinsi ya kusimama kama wanawake, kujua kama tunaweza. Na tunaweza kuanza vitu ambavyo vitadumu na vyenye vitakuwa vya thamani kwetu.
Alors toutes les femmes ici sont représentées par Esther. Que peut-il dire? Utapasha kusema nini kwa watu wote wanatufata about inspiring today, especially wanawake?
Inspiring today ni kitu kenye kilianza na mtu ambaye hachague jinsia, hachague watu fulani wa kutumika nao, lakini anatumika na kila mtu mwenye anaweza kusimama na nguvu zenye iko nazo na mamlaka yenye iko nayo kuanzisha kitu ambacho kitakuwa cha thamani na kuiangazia dunia.
synthèse. Bref. Très chers téléspectateurs, comme vous le voyez, je suis avec la sœur Esther Badosé. Très bientôt, elle va nous quitter, mais avant qu'elle nous quitte, un mot de revoir à tous les téléspectateurs.
Kitu kenye ndaweza kulaga watu ambao wananifuata ni nalaga wanawake kuambia wanawake tuna nguvu, lakini nguvu zetu zilifuchikwa kwa wakati mrefu. Nguvu zetu zilikuwa hazina thamani kwa wakati mrefu, lakini ni wakati wanamke kusimama na kuanza vitu ambavyo vitaonekana. Kwa sababu makosa ya mtu ni kutokuanza, lakini kushindwa si kushindwa. Kushindwa ni nguvu mpya, ni kusimama mpya na kufanya vitu vyenye vitakuwa na nguvu zaidi.
Asante kabisa. Voilà, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back again to this amazing day, because today we are inspiring today. Excusez-moi pour la touche parce que we are inspiring today, seriously. Cette journée, cette soirée est la plus longue vraiment, mais c'est une très belle soirée, franchement. So, ladies and gentlemen, give me time, give me space to receive here right now. But those people, they are not around here, but we shall be together with them. They are abroad. Let me receive right now Brother Rihan Shabira. He's from Pakistan. You know, we say we are everywhere in this world. In Pakistan, in Africa, in the US, but right now, Brother Rihan Shabira, we just try to tell us a little bit something about inspiring today. Let's go.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, मेरा नाम है रेहान शब्बीर और आप देख रहे हैं इस वक्त मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल। नाजरीन, आज इस मुख्तसर से वीडियो में आपको बड़ा ज़रूरी पैगाम देना है। क्या आप जानते हैं इंस्पायरिंग टुडे एक मोटिवेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो इस वक्त अफ्रीकन सेक्टर में बहुत तेज़ी से स्प्रेड हो रही है। इंस्पायरिंग टुडे एक इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज़ कर रही है जिसमें मुख्तलिफ़ कंट्रीज़ से मुख्तलिफ़ मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर्स को सिलेक्ट किया गया है और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह पाकिस्तान से मैं वाहिद मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर हूं जो इंस्पायरिंग टुडे के लिए सिलेक्ट किया गया। इंस्पायरिंग टुडे का मोटिव क्या है? इंस्पायरिंग टुडे एक ऐसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो यंगस्टर्स को लेकर उनको मोटिवेट कर रही है उनके अपने प्रॉपर गोल्स को अचीव करने के लिए। जैसा कि आजकल पैंडेमिक कोविड की वजह से एक सिचुएशन क्रिएट हुई है जिससे नौजवान तबका बहुत ज़्यादा मुतासिर है। ऐसे में इंस्पायरिंग टुडे एक उम्मीद की किरण है जो तमाम नौजवानों के लिए उनकी राह हमवार कर कर उनको उनके मुस्तकबिल के लिए बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ प्रोवाइड कर रही है। तो मैं आप सब से भी ये गुजारिश करूँगा कि आप भी इंस्पायरिंग टुडे का हिस्सा बने, उसको फॉलो करें और उनके काम को सराहें। इंस्पायरिंग टुडे, चेंजिंग द लाइफ। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
So we'll be back after Brother Yan Shabir. Right now, we shall receive Brother, or let me call him Honorable Kangela. He's from Netherlands. In French, we say Pays-Bas. Also, he will try also to tell us something about inspiring today and some words also how he understands inspiring today. Especially, we are focused most time about youth. Let's go.
Hi guys, it's Honorable here. Some of you know me and some of you don't. I'm also a supporter of Inspiring Today from the Netherlands. Some of you know it as Holland. Coming to this country has been a dream come true. I was not born here, but I kept my hope in God. I kept believing. Now I'm here. The biggest fear about this country is the language. The language is the hardest, which is called Dutch, if you have heard of it. But to me, the people I live with, we couldn't wait for more than 5 to 10 years to learn it. So we had to learn it. We had to start making a move so that we can also be part and feel parts of this country. So we had to learn the language. We had to do what we had to do to be parts of the community. And many people who come from other countries and the people who live here, they also find this language hard, which is really hard. But for me, I had to start learning it, practicing it, so that I can know. And as they always say, if you don't start, you can't start. So you should start creating, you should start inspiring. As inspiring projects from my brother Joseph. Much love, bro. Much appreciation. And to those who watch Inspiring Today, much respect, and may God bless you all. And to those who haven't started watching it, again, as I said, if you can't start, you don't start. So you should start watching Inspiring Today. This project is really amazing. And to those who put on the work about this project, much appreciation again, much love. And I'm also happy to be part of this video, to be part of this project. I'm so happy. And that's all. It's been again Honorable here, and God bless you all. Peace out.
So, right now, we say we are still abroad because we are everywhere, trust me, we are everywhere. Right now, we are going to travel somewhere which means UK. There we shall see, and we have our sister, she's from UK, which means United Kingdom, England. Elle s'appelle Alison Thompson. Is it? I think very well. So, je ne voulais pas massacrer les noms, but Alison Thompson. So, she will try to tell us something about Inspiring Today also. How she understands Inspiring Today. How can she motivate youth about Inspiring Today? Let's go.
Hi, my name's Ali, and the brilliant team at Inspiring Today have asked me to talk to you about kindness. If your best friend came to you with an idea of a project that they wanted to do, what would you say? You would be kind. You would praise and encourage them. You would reassure them that it will be okay. So when you have an idea, you should be that kind to yourself. You wouldn't criticise your friend before they'd even started. You wouldn't assume that they would fail. You would be kind. So be kind to yourself. Have courage in your ideas and have faith in your abilities. You'll develop confidence and you'll be able to take on new and exciting challenges and adventures. Remember what the author Jennifer Jukes-Lee said. In a world where you can choose to be anything, choose to be kind. And this applies to yourself as much as to other people.
So, today, nous ne limitons pas tellement avec les gens qui vont nous parler about Inspiring Today en parlant, mais ils vont nous expliquer à travers leurs œuvres. Because we have here the cameraman, we have also some people who knows also about microphone, but this one is in Canada right now, John Destin. He will talk about being a good cameraman and director. Listen.
Hello guys, this is M. John Destin, the man always behind the Inspiring Today cameras. And today on this very beautiful occasion, I'm so honored and privileged to be part of the people who are speaking some words, to the celebration. And I think Inspiring Today, actually, I really thank you for helping me and realize my frozen potentials, because I never knew that I could be so good like this, or I never knew that I could be behind the camera, so I thank a lot Inspiring Today for making me who I am, Yeah, actually I also thank you the fans for helping us reach this stage. It's just 1 year we've reached to more than 1,000 subscribers. Wow, man, this is huge, this is so good. And I thank you, and please keep on supporting us, keep on supporting my boy Joseph, and more things are coming, the contents are still coming, a lot of things are just on the way. I just want you to stay tuned at Inspiring Today. And now, me as a cameraman, I got some tricks for you, and one of the greatest tricks that can help you move on and be a good cameraman. The first thing is you have to trust yourself. You have to believe in yourself. Like, you don't have to look this side now. You say, oh no, why is my video like, why is this like? You first have to love what you do. You love what you do, though the content might be so crazy or what, but you first love what you do. And the second thing also, you have to be creative. Creativity in your mind, don't limit yourself. Don't limit yourself. There's nothing, everything in, they say a mistake in art is a design. And so a mistake in photography or videography is also a design. So what you come with, what just comes in your mind, do it. Yeah, thank you so much, and we thank you too. We thank you and we love you. Keep on supporting us. Keep on supporting on. You can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. I'm not yet on YouTube. Thank you. Anyways, thank you and happy anniversary to Inspiring Today. We love you guys. Peace out, everyone.
Inspiring Today. Yeah. Everyone is favorite. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, when I go don't come and cry on my tomb. How many children, how many used to wish me death, how many fake friends. When I was truly in the shit, how many try to help me. Now they saying they love me and they try to kill me daily. They used to try to poison me every day. Now I'm on my way, going straight to paradise. When the devil surprised, I got my shit from the street, always try to practice. How many gave me respect, how many just know I'm dead left. When I go, I tell my family that I love them. My thing was isolation, couldn't live in their mansion, yeah. And once gone, tell my dealer that if I'm gone, so one should take on. I suggest Prince Devon. My time to go, tell my haters that it's over. I'm going far away, big shout out to legal pretenders. Please tell my mother, no need to cry so hard. Everything has a reason, that's why I'm going so faster, yeah. My time to go, tell my country that I love the food. They fast and positivity, don't have a good cook. Tell my teachers I don't care whether fake chemistry. I did hip hop and now everyone is proud of me. As I be gone, tell my dad I appreciate his love. He wanted a doctor but I became a rapper. I'm always working all my nights so that my songs see the light. I would like to enter your heart, not your mind phones. When I go, some fake friends who pretend as if they miss me. Try to show up and care, yeah, they always wanted to kill me. Tell my they left on the floor, yeah. Okay. MC Pian, yo, Inspiring Today. I'm blessed. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Jeremy, and I've been here from the beginning of Inspiring Today, and today I would like to declare that I am one of the living testimonies of Inspiring Today from the beginning of this channel. I have been watching Inspiring Today for a year now, because it has been a year, and all these steps that they have taught and the tips, they can be traced through my life because I've tried them and see if I can get anywhere with their teaching. And all the work can be traced through my life, through this 1 year that I have grown, not physically but mentally. And this can be measured actually because of the closer I get to my goals and some of the goals that I have achieved through this 1 year that I have been with Inspiring Today. And the beauty of this is that I have not been in contact with Inspiring Today, like being close to the people, but through these videos I've been able to learn what I didn't learn even when I was with these people. Inspiring Today is really doing a work that really needs to be done through the community, because especially at this time of the pandemic, everybody are down. Some are giving up to on their dreams, but Inspiring Today is not only inspiring people to achieve their dream, but it's also motivating them and teaching them how to get closer to these dreams they have, which is really a beauty in itself. So continue watching Inspiring Today, and if you have a friend that you really want them to grow along with you to get to that level of success you want them to get to, feel free to share the link of this channel, Inspiring Today, and they will also be motivated, taught, and inspired to do great. Be water, my friend.
So, de retour sur ce plateau, de retour ici. Et oui, bien sûr, nous sommes à Kampala, Depart of Africa. C'est un réel plaisir pour moi, Julien Allo, d'être parmi vous, de voir vos écrans là où vous êtes braqués, hyper connectés sur vos fauteuils. Nous allons clôturer, bien sûr, cet event. Mais avant de clôturer, je vais recevoir le fondateur, le CEO, il va essayer un peu de spécifier en quelques lignes about the event, et il va nous parler aussi de lui-même. Once again, Joseph Musoda, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Are you fine?
I'm really fine.
It seems like you are tired or something like that.
Yeah, I can't lie about that, but I'm fine.
This event we are here, you're the one trying to call us, all of us to be here today, and those people who was here with us, we say thank you to them. Also, you can tell them also thanks, because it wasn't so easy, but we made it.
Yes.
So, I have just some questions before to close this event. What are the impacts of Inspiring Today over youth?
Yes, so thank you for that beautiful question. Basically, we have helped young people because our main focus is on the young people, this generation, the next, what's next, these are next. So we have helped them to know that they can use the strength we have, like we heard from our brother Josue. They can use the strength they have to set their goals and to also pursue their dreams. So basically, and we even have the testimonies. So you have had some good, interesting stories, and even in the comment sections, over 2,000 people on our channel, over 2,000 people on our Facebook page. It's of mind-blowing for sure. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you very much. Brother Joseph, you know we are blessed to have you right now over here. The next question is, what's exactly the vision and mission of Inspiring Today?
So the vision of Inspiring Today is to create an open platform for self-exploration for the youth. That's the mission of Inspiring Today.
And
then that's the vision of Inspiring Today. Then the mission of Inspiring Today is to equip young people with the knowledge of motivation and also for their success. Give them the skills and tools for their success. That's the mission.
So the event of the day and all about Inspiring Today, do you work alone or you have a team?
No, I don't work alone. Actually, I didn't call you here, but Inspiring Today called you here. So yeah. Inspiring Today is a very big team. I will first start with the team inside.
Okay.
Yes, I work as the director at Inspiring Today, like the programs manager. But I also work with M. John, who is my director and cameraman always. Okay. I work with Josue Musoda as the script manager.
Okay.
I work with Chris Akili as this IT, meaning he manages the channels and he's the admin on most of our pages. I work with a very big team. It's a big team to pull out the videos that you normally see.
You just told us about people, photographer, director, or whatever. But yourself, tell us about yourself.
About myself. Me myself, Joseph Musoda, from the Musoda's family. So I'm the sixth born. I'm the sixth born from my mother. Charlotte Musoda, and I also sing. If you didn't know that,
Oh,
I
wow,
sing.
that's wonderful.
Yes, I sing. I'm an interpreter in church, and yeah, that's basically about me.
Alors, in short, to all those who watch us from the beginning up to now, tell them just a little or some words and close this event.
So basically, I will just give a shout out to a lot of people. So basically, I will give the shout out to Alva Design, a round of applause to him. He has been the director, though John, you still have your position. He has been the director and the cameraman and organizer of this event. So I thank him so much. You can check him on Facebook, YouTube. The links are in the description. I will give a shout out to Hanyo Ministries. Hanyo Ministries has a YouTube channel called Hanyo TV. Go and check. Has a TikTok account. Go and check Hanyo TV. Hanyo Ministries. So I'll give a shout out to Chris Akili. Chris Akili, you go and add him as a friend. And also go and visit Sokonet Congo, sokonetcongo.com. Go and visit that site. Denle Fanelka, Facebook, YouTube, links in the description. MC Piano, links in the description. And everybody that, M. John Deste. Check him out, and yeah, it's really a blessing to have these guys.
Merci beaucoup à toi, Joseph Musoda. Alors, c'est un réel plaisir pour moi de bien être ici parmi vous. Man, one word again?
Oh, I was about to forget something. The venue that we are right in is Gmail, Global Instrumental and Music and Lighting. Gmail, so go and check out Gmail for bookings. They are available, so you can check them out on Facebook and YouTube too. Thank you so much, and get also the t-shirts are available in all sizes and all locations.
T-shirts are available, trust me. Ladies and gentlemen, c'est un réel plaisir pour moi, Julien Allo, d'être parmi vous ce soir, le 1er août 2021. Et j'espère bien que ça ne sera pas la première et la dernière fois. Nous nous retrouverons encore la prochaine fois pour une prochaine édition des Inspiring Today. Alors, d'ici là, portez-vous bien. Au revoir.